Hey, behave when I'm out. Behave. What's up, everybody? It has been a minute. There is a thing there. So, it's been a little minute since we've done a video. Yeah. Hey! Alright. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's been a minute. It's been a little minute. What's it been, like 2 weeks? So check it out. 1,777 miles. And you guys can probably hear she sounds a little different. I ended up putting a full system on. I'm gonna fix my earplug real quick. But dude, before I start talking about anything about the bike, the first thing I want to do is thank everybody who liked the video and viewed it. And I think it like somehow hit YouTube's algorithm, because we're at almost 2,000 views at the time of me recording this video. And bro, that's fucking awesome. Thank you guys. Everybody commenting saying how they wanted to get bikes as well. It just, man, it makes me happy. It's nice to see that, and I wish you guys all the best, and I hope you guys do it, man, because it's been fucking amazing, bro. It's the best thing that's ever happened, for sure. I literally get home from work, take like a 30-minute power nap, and then go ride for about 2 to 3, 4 hours. Really just depends on the day and how, if I'm tired or not. Honestly though, bro, I think it's a little too loud for me. I mean, I fuck with it, but at the same time, it's like, it's stupid loud. I don't know, man. It's loud as hell. Like, you gotta wear earplugs while riding, and with this helmet I have, I got a Pista, so it's already loud as it is with just having the helmet. So the helmet and the exhaust, sometimes even with the earplugs, it doesn't do shit, man. But yeah, we've been chilling. We've been just riding every day after work. We almost got 1,000 miles on it so far, so it's been cool, man. It's like the best thing ever, low-key. Alright, let's go see what we can get into. But yeah, nah, bro. Hey, everybody who commented and liked the video, shout out to you guys for real, man. I really appreciate it. It's been fucking nice coming home or just being at work and seeing a new comment and replying and talking to you guys about questions you may have, or just people commenting on my first ride. I was nervous as fuck, man. I was nervous as fuck for my first ride, for sure. But I mean, with it being my first ride though, it makes sense. I should be nervous, you know, like I had no experience on a bike, so. But we did it, man. We brought it home. Hey, look at the frog. That's pretty cool. On the Jeep. I need to get something to eat, man. I'm fucking starving. I don't know what to get though, because I'm starting to feel it in my tummy a little bit. Starting to feel it. He didn't hear it. That was a nice bike though. That was either an R3 or an R7. You could tell from the Yamaha blue. Man, Yamaha blue is so sexy. Sometimes I wish I got a blue bike, but I don't know. You can't complain with the all black. And we got the all black fit on too. We're looking pretty emo if I don't say myself. What should we get to eat, bro? I have no idea. I'm fucking starving though. What the fuck was that, bro? Bro was riding that in the grass? I don't even know how he was doing that. That's crazy. Man, all this new construction that's going on in my town, it's fucking annoying, bro. Like, look at all these cones, and they're fucking tearing up the roads, so it's like you can't even ride over them properly. I mean, you can, but like it doesn't, it's not the same. You know what I'm saying? It's annoying as fuck, for real. Listening to some Juice WRLD right now, it's pretty hard. What's bro on? See, normally I'd follow him, but we're gonna let him do his thing. We're gonna let him do his thing. I need to figure out what I'm gonna get to eat, because I'm fucking starving. Oh, I thought the cops were over there. I was about to say. Nah, we chilling. So, I actually had a close call on Monday. Today's Wednesday. On Monday, I was making a left turn at a light just like this, and as I was going left, I think I was leaning too much or I was going too fast, but I felt my rear tires like start to lose traction. Oh, bro, I shit my pants. I'll tell you not, bro. I shit you not. I shit my pants not, bro. I was so scared. I thought I was gonna, it was like, yep, 2 weeks in, there goes the bike, man. I thought that was it. Oh, by the way, this thing right here, oh my goodness, I love playing with this thing. I don't know, maybe I have ADHD. I could. What's this guy looking at? What are you looking at in the back seat? Passenger princess? What are you looking at? We need to figure out, oh dude, we could get some boba. Should we get some boba? If we gotta get boba, we gotta turn around though. Boba does sound pretty good though. Boba does sound pretty good. Some taro milk tea. You know, like when you want something so bad you can almost taste it? That's where I'm at right now. I can low-key just crave it. I can taste the boba. But I need to get something to eat too, bro, because I'm fucking famished. Whoa, man, that wind feels good, boys. Whoa, can't hit high notes. What up? Look at this guy, bro. Oh, fuck. You gotta do what you gotta do. Bump! Bump! God damn, what is this line, bro? Why is everybody out? It's 5:41. I mean, I guess everybody's getting off work or has already gotten off work and is out enjoying their day. But we need to invent like a road that's for motorcycles only. What do you guys think about that? Nah, that sounds pretty selfish. Hey, I'm not gonna lie though, that'd be pretty hard. I'd fuck with it. Yeah, I'd fuck with it. Oh, we can actually take the other way to get boba. I'm stupid. We don't gotta turn around. Yeah, we can turn up here. Yeah, boba. Boba. trying to make sure my mom wasn't behind me. If my mom was behind me, she'd be pissed. Camaro, oh Camaro. Oh, so there is a Zaxby's right here too. What do you think, chat? Should we get some chicken? Oh, they're playing soccer. Should we go join in? I'd let them kick my balls. I'd let them kick my balls. I'd let them do it for free too, no cap. I don't even give a fuck. I'd let them kick me right in my fucking nuts. Bro, so today at work, right? I was driving around. So I work for Nashville Department of Transportation. Essentially all I do is fucking drive around and make sure people have the right permits to be doing work, or like work or whatever in the road and shit like that. I was driving around at work today and some guy, I think it was an H2, I don't know, I could be wrong. It was either an H2 or a ZX10R, and you guys are gonna make fun of me because obviously I should know the difference in those two bikes just from how they look, but I couldn't tell because, bro, a bike flew by. It was definitely a leader bike. It had to have been a leader bike, but it flew by me, bro, and it was fucking so nice. I was like about to cream in my pants, no cap. When I seen that, I was like, oh my daddy, pull over. Not actually, but at the same time, I actually wasn't. I was like thinking that, no cap. Oh, hi. I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm just being very noisy. I'm not fast, I'm just noisy. So I've actually met a couple guys from riding already, which is pretty cool. I met like two friends. One guy's got an R7, and then the other guy I met was actually at my MSF course. He's got a Ninja 500. I've rode with him twice. We went downtown Nashville last weekend. Yeah, last weekend. And that shit was so fun, bro. Riding in the city is so cool. Obviously now though, with the bike being this loud, I don't even know if I'd want to take it downtown, man. It's just, it's a nuisance. Boba! Big bump. Oh! You already know, we're gonna park away from everybody because we're emo. Oh man. We're antisocial, boys. We don't like people. We don't want people coming near us or messing with us or even just talking to us, you know. It's annoying as hell. We are about to get some fucking boba though. Thank you. Excuse me, sorry. Alright homies, bag secured. I'm about to fucking slaughter this. Oh, I'm gonna drink it so fast like it's my mom. A what? Yeah, boba secured. That's what we like to see. Good old yummy. I'm gonna drink this now. So, oh, what am I doing? I don't even know how to get on my bike. I'm gonna take my helmet off to drink this, and I will be back after that. That right there is a perfect thumbnail for the video. Alright, so the boba was pretty good. I sucked that shit down like it was your... What? Yeah, boys, the boba was fucking capiche, man. Like, I knew that I was craving it, so I had to go get it, bro. You looking at purple hair girl? Mountain Dew! Oh yeah, this PetSmart's where I get my cat litter for my cat normally. This song is fire I'm listening to. Oh, shout out to UPS for delivering all of our packages. Big shout out to them. The world would not work if it weren't for delivery drivers, and that's a fact. He's seen me, he's seen me. He was just locked in on the road. He's paying attention. He doesn't want to crash. I need to chill out because that cop pulled somebody over back there, which means he's feeling it today. Oh, we could actually turn here, but we're not going to. Spot check, we good. We good. Just want to make sure, you know what I'm saying? Dude, my butt low-key kind of hurts. Did they make a comfier seat for the R3? Didn't you guys know about that? Oh, dude, another thing. If any of you guys know about like a baffle I could possibly put in this thing, or something to quiet it down, would be fucking amazing. But then I do something like that and I'm like, wait a minute, I love how loud it is. I don't want to quiet it down. It sounds so good. Right on the line. Oh my, just like the MSF course, baby. When they have you do the controlled stop, oh man, it brings back memories. Feels like it was just yesterday, even though I guess it was really only like 3 weeks ago, but still, man, it's, I feel like I'm improving pretty fast, but at the same time I feel like there's just like 7,000 different things I still need to learn, which is good though. I like that because that keeps me safe, you know. I don't do anything stupid because I know what my limits are and I respect my limits. But, I mean, inevitably, it's just a matter of time before I push my limits and do something stupid. And end up dropping the bike. But that is not going to happen yet. Hey chat, you guys are so cute. Thanks for watching the video. As always, I love you all so much. Give me a kiss.